We're not surprised. These things, the Easter plastic crap, haunts me and my mom. We find them everywhere. Like, what is this doing in my room? It's July. What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm moving my room around again. Honestly, I can't keep my room like this for too long. I think I've had it like this for maybe a month and a half. I have no idea. But I was cleaning my room and I was like, I don't want my room this way anymore. So I stopped cleaning it. My room was disgusting, but I cleaned it and then I was like, just kidding. So everything I took it off of there and my desk and I put it on my bed. And then I was like, I'm not gonna touch it now. I'm getting rid of my desk. My mom's actually selling it tomorrow morning. So many people want it. It's weird. Could be because it's from IKEA, but like there's a couple things wrong with it, like, you know, super glue on the desk and whatnot. And yeah, so I'm getting rid of it. So the first thing we're gonna do is empty it so I can get it out of here. It's 11 o'clock. Get it on me. Now we're gonna move on to here. Don't ask me. This is my hair from last Vlogmas when I cut it off, and this is my undercut hair. Now we gotta clean the drawer. Desk is clean. Now I have to put this somewhere. I honestly think I'm gonna put all of like my random stuff in shoe boxes that I already keep up there, and then everything else just needs to be gone through. Oh, this is what I hate about organizing or emptying stuff. You have to go through it all. Bye. Okay, so right now I'm going to go put all this stuff where it's supposed to go and then just throw everything else on my bed and move the desk out of here so I can get shit moving, because I've been doing this since exactly 11 on the dot. It's 11:50 and all I've done is empty my desk. There's like nothing in here. Don't cry, Mom. So now I'm going to move that thing that has a bunch of books in it, and then I'm gonna move my bed. It's thick. I have to, right? Oh, no support. Okay. Just bend. Oh wow. Oh God. Bye. Bye. Oh, that's the extender.
I'm sorry, sweetie. Is there a problem?
I can't find the zipper. Where is it? I'm just gonna drop you. Ow! You fell on my foot.
That was so...
You fell on my foot.
Ow! You dropped me?
I'm interested in portraying a sort of anti-sensibility that pervades the society and a kind of maybe gross oversimplification.
Yay. So all we have left is this. It just has, like, literally it has all of my hair things and stuff. So I don't really know what to do. goes out the right side. Oh yeah, I was like, that doesn't work. Wow. Now I'm just amazed. I'm not fixing that right now. I don't know what it is. Oh, Sam. Dude, once it gets to a certain part, you'll know. Like outside my door. And then I have rainbow lanyard and that. And you walk in and I mean it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna fix that tomorrow. I'm not. No. So I hate where my bed is, so we're gonna move it. When I was grounded, like 3 years ago, I weighed all of my books because that's how bored I was. And these weighed 26 pounds. Minus this book and this one. But 26 pounds of books. Just looks cozier. I'm gonna make my bed and all that, and then I'll show an overview. So this is my finished room. Oh wow. Hello. Those are just clothes I had refused to put away, and my bed isn't made, but you get the gist of it. And my monster wall looks really good.